What's going on, everybody? My name is Seth and you're watching 252 Squad, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching my girlfriend Jenna how to drive manual on my 2013 Ford Mustang Gt. Now, to be quite honest with you, I've owned this car for about a month now, and I've been driving manual daily for about a month now, so I'm probably not the best teacher about this, but we're going to try, we're going to attempt, and let's get to it. Alrighty, so we're in the car. She's got her seat adjusted. She's already scared of the clutch because she says it's stiff. But we're getting ready to go ahead and start. So we're gonna get ready to put it in gear.
Is this supposed to be this stiff?
Yeah.
Is Christian's car this stiff?
No. And I removed the spring in it, so it's lighter than what it was before.
I feel like my knee needs to pop.
Alrighty, so what you're gonna do is put on the brake.
Just the brake?
Yep, just the brake. What you're gonna do is take your e-brake down. So pull up on it. You pull up on the e-brake. So.
I got these two hands. That's not working.
You gotta pull up and then press the button. Pull up on it. Now press the button. See? There it goes.
I'm sweating. Okay.
All right, now clutch all the way to the floor.
With the brake or the brake on?
You can let your foot off the brake right now since we're on a flat hill.
Okay.
All right, clutch all the way to the floor. All right, now keep your foot on the clutch.
Okay.
Over, up, you're in first. Now, your foot's off the brake, right?
Yeah.
All right, now slowly let your foot off the floor with the clutch. You're probably gonna stall. It's gonna get you the hang of it.
Just keep on going.
Well, you took off. That's actually really good.
Okay, now
You didn't
what?
stall your first time. All right,
Now
put the
what
clutch
do?
back in all the way to the floor.
Okay.
All the way to the floor.
Yeah.
Pop it out into neutral. Down.
Just like
Yep.
that?
Yep. Now you can come to a stop. Let your foot off the clutch.
Like slowly?
No, you can just dump it.
Okay.
And now you're just back. Now you might want to put your foot on the brake because now we're rolling backwards.
Okay.
Yeah, you took off your first time. I was expecting to stall. So she's going to try to take off one more time. This time we're going to use a little gas. And see if she can't just take
Wait,
off.
what are we going to do after I do this?
Huh?
What are we going to do after I do this?
What do you mean?
Like after I take off? What's next?
You do a few takeoffs. We'll just do a few takeoffs.
Okay, I'm about to say, I don't want to be on the road.
Alright. Little gas, little gas. A little bit of a dump, but alright.
No.
Now clutch in, off gas, second, clutch out slowly. There you go. Not bad, not bad.
Gas on, clutch in, neutral, brake. Okay.
Ready to try again?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I'm not gonna walk you through it this time. I think you got it in your head.
Clutch in first. Now change?
Yep. Not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. You look so judgmental. Like you like side-eyeing me as you're driving. Like, am I doing this right?
First.
That was really good.
What is getting stuck on my sheet? Okay, now change or?
Yeah, since we're in a parking lot, you go. You change gears really fast. You're gonna be a good street racer one day.
Yeah, in my automatic. No, because when I freak out, I just like forget everything. So.
You're doing really good. Like, you're doing better than most of the guys I've tried to teach.
Well, thank you. Clutch in first.
Gonna give me gas that time.
Okay. Okay, clutch in first.
You're really not doing bad. Once it hits about 2,000 like that, now you can change. That's really good. What do you? Don't look at me like you did something wrong. You changed gears and it didn't jerk my head too bad. It's probably smoother than what I do with you most of the time. Now she's gonna try to go to third gear, taking off, running around, and then going. So we're gonna go ahead and take off right fast. You can go ahead now. Beautiful.
It's just so jerky.
Yeah. Dang, you hit third gear better than I hit third gear.
I don't miss it. I was just
Still your girlfriend, Stanley. All right, she's gonna attempt to drive around the parking lot, out of the driveway at the parking lot, and into another driveway. So we're gonna see how this goes.
That sucks. Okay.
Step 1, don't stall. That's what you get for talking all that crap about me missing third.
Was that too much gas?
Yeah, I ripped my clutch. It's all right.
Wait,
I got
actually?
spare. Yeah,
Wait.
it's all right.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I got another one.
Am I in third?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, your clutch is because I.
No, you're in 5th, but it's all right.
What do I do?
Nothing. You just drive. You're fine. You're
I
rolling.
say that didn't feel.
Yeah. No, you're rolling. You can use the brakes like a normal person, and now clutch it. All right. Now you can go put it in first.
Hold on.
She had to contemplate.
There's too much thinking.
Ooh, that's a little high on gas.
Yeah, stop.
Yep.
I don't think it's a good idea.
No, I think it's a great idea.
I don't think it's a good idea.
I think it's a great idea.
I really don't think so.
That was perfect.
Okay.
All right, now give it a second.
Why does it sound like that?
Because you went in 4th.
Am I actually in fourth?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, you're fine. I mean, you managed to take off with it.
Okay, now what?
All right, now clutch in.
Clutch in.
Neutral.
Neutral.
Hit the brakes.
The brake.
And turn in like a normal car. Nice. You did it.
Okay.
All right, now drive back to the other driveway.
No.
Yeah.
I'm done.
No, you got it.
I'm done.
You're like you're overthinking yourself now. You're doing great. You're doing really good.
Mm-hmm.
Just build your confidence up in yourself at this point.
Okay.
You got it. All right. Don't overthink it. Look at me. Look at me. You just drove perfectly fine in that other parking lot. Do not overthink driving on the road. There's no difference.
There's cars on the road.
There's not a car out here. That's why I took you here.
Well, there's a truck. Hold on, we gotta wait till he moves.
He's all the way in the parking lot over there. Oh my God.
Yeah, a parking lot I gotta go in.
All right, he's moved. All right.
Clutch in first.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine. At least you didn't burn the clutch.
Second?
All right, second, yep.
Am I in second?
Yeah. All right, third. See? I don't know what you're complaining about. Clutch and neutral. Yep. Now you can use your brake. You can just put your foot off the clutch. Yep. And then you can just roll in like a normal car would. Now I'm gonna get you to turn around that way. And don't go to a stop. Go ahead and do what we did earlier, where you put it in second. So clutch in, second. Don't come to a stop. Second. Let your clutch out slowly. There you go.
Is your clutch like ruined?
No.
Pretty sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, you haven't really burned it yet. It doesn't smell yet.
Okay. When does it smell?
Oh, you know it.
Oh, okay.
No gas that time.
Really?
Yeah.
I guess it's better no gas than
Then
a lot of gas.
Yeah. I'd rather you stall it than just absolutely burn the crap out of the clutch.
Okay. So clutch in
Mm-hmm.
first. That was rough, but it's okay.
Alright, you gotta shift second. Alright, you gotta shift to third. Shoot, you could drive around Raleigh now.
Heck to the no. Okay, that was pretty good. That was a little bumpy.
I think you got about as much as you can get if you're not gonna want to like drive on the road.
Yeah.
Nice.
Pretty good?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Okay, now how do I do the parking situation? Just pull this up?
Yep.
Does clutch need to be in or no?
Nope. You don't actually
that
have to
enough?
press the button. You can just.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Now you're good.
Okay.
Nice. Well, guys, that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. I thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Jenna, how do you feel about driving the manual?
I'll stick to automatic.
She's going to get it eventually.